Our Mindfulness for Adults kit is perfect for you, not only for yourself and your self-care, but to share with your students. So it comes with a poster that says reflect, recharge, refocus. It also comes with a little pad of sticky notes so that as you're writing your self notes or notes to your students, you remember to take self-care. Next thing we have in this set is self-care reflection cards. So these are great because they take you through several different things. Topics such as goal setting, coping strategies, breathing techniques and open listening, and positive self-talk. Speaking of positive self-talk, we have our positive affirmation chips. You get 100 of these chips with 50 different sayings. One of them is, you matter. Of course, you matter. So great positive affirmations that you can keep yourself to remind yourself that you matter, or you may choose to pass them out to your students. There's a blank area on the back where you can leave them a positive message or maybe the date that they earned this chip. Another thing we have in this kit is this little massager. So this is great for getting those knots out of your neck when you've had a long day of teaching and changing the world. And then who doesn't love a kind of a stress ball or a fidget? This is going to be a lifesaver when you're sitting in those long meetings. You can just squeeze the stress away. Remember, you're important, and it is important for you to take care of yourself.